Hi, you're watching LaptopMedia video and this is another Asus Republic of Gamers notebook, the GL552. Asus is targeting more and more game-loving customers with their new models. The range of gaming-oriented laptops is constantly growing in their portfolio. But is this an inevitably successful strategy, or the Republic of Gamers is slowly losing some of its shining reputation? Let's have a look at this new representative, the GL552, and discover what does it offer to its owners. The first thing we see from a laptop, of course, is its case, its look and the feel that naturally refers to its build quality. This is probably the first Republic of Gamers laptop, or at least the first I see that is entirely made of plastic. It carries the distinctive Republic of Gamers features and it is quite solid, by the way. Well, at least the bottom case and the palm rest area. Screen backplate is not what I expected it to be. It is quite flexible actually. But there is this nice design pattern on the back which is quite interesting and also has the familiar Republic of Gamers logo. There is also the red lines around the trackpad and the red backlit of the keyboard. All that makes the look of the laptop a bit more aggressive and, of course, gaming-like. However, some of the plastic parts do not always perfectly fit and look not quite aligned to me, like the battery on the back for example. But apart from that, the screen hinges look pretty tight and strong and the overall build quality is not bad for a plastic case. For example, the palm rest area in the keyboard look pretty sturdy. The screen has the familiar technology that is used for the G501. It is anti-glare IPS with full HD resolution and looks good in almost every aspect. Well, almost. Our usual engineering tests revealed some flaws, of course. For example, the screen flickering was non-existing only when brightness levels are at maximum. A bit slow pixel reaction is another usual problem for display with a good color reproduction like this one. It marks 93% coverage of the sRGB gamma and is not bad for a screen used in a so-called budget gaming series. Check out LaptopMedia to see more detailed screen tests for this model. Performance is always an important part of such machine. It runs the NVIDIA GTX 950M because it has to be price to specs balanced. It is still a GPU from the upper mid-class range, belongs to the Maxwell architecture and could be found with GDDR3 or GDDR5 memory. We tested the more common GDDR3 version which is used for the GL552 and I can tell you this graphics accelerator is very capable one. We played some flawless GTA 5 and the system was holding pretty good. In terms of CPU, you can find the model with the Intel Core i5 or Core i7 processors that gives certain flexibility to the series in terms of price targeting. It could be equipped with an optional SSD drive. The motherboard features the M.2 SATA slot which is user accessible. No need to lose any storage capabilities if you want to upgrade. That, by the way, is pretty cool and should be provided by every mid or high-class laptop nowadays if you ask me. You can see more about the overall performance at laptopmedia.com. Temperatures under gaming I would call acceptable. Plastic does not cool down as fast as the aluminium of course, but the laptop is bulky enough to provide enough space for hot air movement. So what I think in general about the GL552. It is a great choice if you want to have a nice gaming machine but not dangerously cross the limit of about $1,000 let's say. With its aggressive look, pretty good tech specs and not bad sound quality by the way, you can really have a choice here. But be aware of the fact that some compromises will be made. Screen is good and acceptable in quality but could have been better, at least in terms of screen flickering. Build quality is not bad at all, although it's not aluminium and people kind of like the aluminium when it is present of course. And no matter how sturdy or solid plastic you're going to use for the shell, people will still like the metal case because it looks and feels premium and provides some kind of unusual confidence to the owner of the laptop. So, dear Asus guys and dear Johnny Shi, please bear this in mind in the future. Think more about the good old beautiful N500 series when creating new laptop concept, please, and thank you. Thanks for watching guys. Laptop Media is your door to the laptop knowledge. Do not forget that. Visit it and subscribe to the channel. Bye.